man, you guys don't have to be cooked, dude. All I'm saying is that this is what separates the developers who get hired versus the ones who don't, right? The average engineers who build simple things that everyone else builds, or who only do what they're told to do, versus the ones who are actually interested in software engineering and programming, who go out and experiment and build things, right? It doesn't have to be like some crazy extensive library, right? I'm just talking about, like, I'm assuming you probably use JavaScript or something, but just learning what is NPM, how can I build a simple library, right, that does some like math equation, right? Start there. And then after that, start looking into building a little bit more of a complex library, right? Because what this is going to do is that this is going to open up your mind when you are now looking for other libraries in your project, to where you can now assess libraries, and it gives you the ability to be like, you know what, these libraries kind of suck, so I'm just going to make my own and build it in a way to where I don't need any of this overhead, all this other stuff I'm not going to use, because there's tons of libraries out there where they do a ton of stuff, but you really don't need most of it. What you can do is then you can just build your own, right? Scrap all the extra stuff and simply put in the stuff that you need, and then you can keep on moving with your day. Like, everyone acts like building your own library from scratch is like such a waste of time. It's not. Because do you know sometimes like how much time you spend with some of these libraries, the time you have to invest in just learning how to use the library itself? Building stuff like this is going to drastically change your ability as a software engineer, because you will have the ability to build whatever you want, and it gives you that freedom to where you're not locked into using or searching for libraries. That's my point.